Well, one mom has gotten so fed up with her daughter's Common Core math homework that she's taken to Twitter about it, sharing a picture that's now gone viral. It says, "Thanks, Common Core, for teaching me how to calculate an appropriate tip." The worksheet showing a complicated method of arriving at the amount using Common Core's 10 sticks strategy.
Joining us now to share her concerns is that mom, Lindsey. She joins us live this morning. Lindsey, thanks for coming on. Tell us how confusing the math homework your daughter received is thanks to Common Core. Give us some sense of this.
Absolutely. The math is ridiculous. It's stressful. I don't even know what a 10 stick is, nonetheless, of what even they're trying to ask. I don't even know how to really explain it. When you look at it, I have no idea what they're talking about. I don't even know how to help her come to the conclusion or even help her with the answer, because no one even sends anything home on how to help them answer.
Well, let's put this up on the screen, Lindsey, because you tweeted this. There's a picture of the homework. It says, here are a bunch of numbers. Explain to us what we're looking at here. 68 plus 30 equals 90. Another caption just says, another example of the ridiculous, this is what you wrote, another ridiculous math that our children are doing. My daughter was marked wrong. Stop Common Core. So what are we looking at here?
So what we're looking at is a test that my daughter took. So it's funny, you look at it and the answer is right. She added the numbers correctly. So when she comes home with this, I don't understand why it's wrong. So, and add tens, I don't even understand what that means. So what do? I start posting on Facebook and Twitter to get some sense on what actually this means. And apparently you are supposed to add the actual 10 spot. So you're supposed to, if it's 50 plus 60, you're supposed to add the 5 and 6, and your answer is 11, which is completely mind-boggling because I don't even pay my bills that way, which
right.
I think I would like
to.
Even
trying to process it. Let's put a word problem up on the screen for our viewers so they can get some sense of what your daughter's dealing with. It says this: stretch your thinking. Tully draws 4 10 sticks and less than 10 circles to make a number. Write the number that Tully could make. Caption says, is there a Common Core translator in the house? This is my 6-year-old's homework. That was your tweet. Do we know what a 10 stick is, and do the teachers have any control over this? Have you spoken to them? Are they frustrated too?
Then that's a good question. I think some are frustrated, but I do think a lot of them do eat this stuff up and they do think it's what's best for the children, and that's what's frustrating is, well, first of all, I don't even know what a 10 stick is. This is my first time hearing it. I managed to go through all my education without even learning a number cube or a 10 stick, yet they are sending this home with not even telling us how to even do this, and I don't even understand the question. Like, did your child
why
are we drawing circles?
Was your child taught that in school and therefore understood the 10 stick and you just didn't because you weren't in a class?
And that's the funny thing too, is because they're teaching these children and we're hoping that they're coming home sending us how to do it. So I'm asking my daughter, what's a 10 stick? And she's just kind of like, well, it's a line. What do you mean a line? What does that mean? So.
Wow, that's when you open another bottle of wine. That sounds really upsetting. Lindsey, thanks a lot for joining us and for calling this to the attention of the country. Good luck.
God, I'm glad I'm not in
absolutely. Thanks for having me.